We're in Melissa, Texas. Right below us, there's a water spot in the ceiling. When I get on the roof, there's really nothing visible. No missing shingles, no exposed nails. I mean, there's one, but there's not exposed nails everywhere. But what I did find are the shingles popped up and flapping in the wind. Yeah, look at that one. Not too bad. Yeah, look at that. So that small little spot, yeah, and they're all over. You can see them. They're up there. They're all over this slope. Different spots where the shingles